Hi everyone, want to make your viral meme edits that pop? In this video, I'll show you how to do it fast and super easy using the Filmora. Let's get started. First, open the Filmora and drag your meme video or clip into the timeline. Then here you can use a short or relatable clips. Then here, go to the Titles tab. Choose a bold preset or font that you like, and then add a meme caption. You can use an impact or Arial black or whatever fonts, then add size. You can all caps or white text or black the outline for a classic meme look. Then head the audio tab. Add a funny sound effects or a viral meme music. The Filmoras are built-in sounds, or you can import your own MP3 or TikTok audio, or you can sound or add a funny sound effects like laughing and more. Then you can spice it up with the stickers, GIFs, or effects with the Elements tab. You can zoom in on for extra dramatic using keyframes or pan and zoom. And finally, export your meme video, or go to Instagram and export it or upload it to your profile stories. Then choose a high resolution for best quality and hit export. And that's it. That's how you create your viral meme edits in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick video tips. Let's meme internet together. Thanks for watching.